Hello, I'm Nick Bowman with F5. We're here with Secureway at GITEX Technology Week in Dubai. Yannick Bork is the sales director for Secureway, one of our, in fact, our oldest partner in Dubai, and in fact the whole Middle East, I think.
Yes, in the overall Middle East.
And a specialist in security. So we're here to talk about a couple of things. Security at the edge of the network and security at the core. So starting with the core, DDoS has been a big driver for new security solutions. F5 and Secureway are delivering to market. So perhaps if you could tell us a little more about that.
Yeah, exactly. We've been facing for the recent, mainly 12 to 18 months, an increased trend in terms of DDoS attack in the overall region. And one of the requests we were getting from our customers, partners, and end users was how can we protect ourselves properly against the DDoS attack. We've seen recent things happening in Saudi Arabia and Qatar more recently. And today using a platform with like F5, security platform at the edge, is one of the best way to prevent DDoS attack to the end users.
And you're seeing this kind of scenario is important to answer across the region, or are there particular places in the Middle East that is more pickup?
No, that's a global trend in the region. I mean, what we're seeing is that all those DDoS attack consciousness was something we were seeing all across the world. The Middle East was a little bit, couple of months behind, and now we should say, like, unfortunately, as usual, it took a few attacks to raise the consciousness.
To open people's eyes to the need to protect,
Yeah, on the region. But what we're seeing is that right now we're getting a lot of tractions on the GITEX today, specifically on the F5 platform, on how we could help the customer on the DDoS attack on the edge. And what we're seeing is that discussing with the channel and with the partners on the DDoS, we're discovering that they have another needs, which is basically on the core security.
Right.
Today, they are more and more protected at the edge level with standard firewall systems without the DDoS attack platforms. But at the core, they're getting more and more requests for a second layer of security. And today, with high throughput and a high bandwidth, and today all the firewalls on the platform that are available on the market are not able to sustain the level of throughput they need at the core level.
So they need more scalability, more robustness in order to be able to protect against
Exactly. They're able to scale and they're able to add new functions on their security platforms without having to replace everything there. So again, the global total cost of ownership of the overall F5 platform at the core level, when we compare it to other solutions, is way below any other platforms they've been looking at as a global.
Very good. And we talked earlier about mobility as well being the other key driver, and this of course is at the edge of the network. So if you could tell us a little more about that.
Yes, on the third point, the edge firewalling is really helping enterprises and customers delivering new secure application. Basically, one of the trends we are seeing is that it's all about mobility. Mobility is not about MDM, mobile device management. It's about making sure that we are delivering properly and applications on time to the right user with the right policy from the right company that's going to be useful with the right security policy. And today, if we look at it on whatever is available on the market, being able to do it seamlessly in the more simplest way as possible, F5 is the best position on the market. And that's one of the trends we are seeing, and it's one of the traction we're having on our GITEX show today.
Very good. And if we look forward to the next 3 or 6 months, these are two things that you'll be concentrating on, or are there any other things that you want to tell the market, tell customers and partners?
Well, as I state, the overall trends we are seeing on security is just starting in the area there. The next 6 to 12 months is going to be mainly an increase of demand into those solutions. So we're going to have a lot of things to do in the market with all the customers, all the partners and enterprises in the countries we have to work on. Mobile security is going to be the real key trends happenings. And today, starting from the edge, as we've been talking, is the first layer. They're going to be heading on the web application firewalls, mobile device applications, and at the same time going on the core. So that's going to be, we're going to have our hands full for the next 12 months.
Fantastic.
Basically with that.
Well, I hope both our companies have a very busy time. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
Thanks a lot, Nick.
Lovely.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much.